We're not all the way open yet, but soon.
Oh shit, I'm over here. I said, this boy look like my grandson. I said, this boy look like my grandson. And I said, he looked like my grandson Kai with the head. And I'm like, and then I looked over at Nyree, got dirty. Oh my Lord. Say hi. Which one is the boxer?
He was not no more. He got punched in the nose.
Here.
Got a little scared.
Let me tell you something. Take this here. In order to win, look at me, you're gonna get hit. When you go on this page, I got hit right here in the head. I had a lump for 15 years. And what you do the next time, put your hands up. Where's Dookie Head? Where's Dookie Head? They used to call him Dookie Head. Hey, boy. Say, what's up, Grandpa? So what was your boxing name? You know what my name was in Chinese? Ling Wang Chao. You know what Ling Wang Chao mean? It meant great fighter. I used to beat everybody. Ling Wang Chao, great fighter. So get you a boxing name. Get you a boxing name. Got it? Ling Wang Chao. You got some pretty eyes, man. Protect that face. Got it? Come on, Nyree, tell me what's going on. You looking all good and healthy? Oh my gosh, shoot. Talk to me. Now tell me, why did you was afraid of him getting hurt instead of him defending himself?
I told him it's gonna happen. He wasn't protecting his face enough, and
oh, okay.
Yeah, literally one time it happened, and then that was it. He just quit.
You mean to tell me you got hit one time and you start crying like a little bitch?
They moved. They moved him up to his older.
You know who I was? I'm Sensei Otis. You know what Sensei Otis is? I was the one who was teaching the whole neighborhood martial art. Go on that page and you'll see my class. Got it? You'll see your grandfather, Moses, when he was a little boy. Got it? WWWOT on time, live on the Sleep Red Table Cloud. And what's your name, sir?
Danny Green.
Come here, okay.
Danny Green. Where I know you from?
You know me, you know my whole family.
Yeah, okay.
Tanya Green was my mom.